everyone, I'm Kiki and this is my cat Gigi. My friend Dani from Black Cat Kitchen invited me to show you how to make my favorite moon cookies, especially for Halloween. I'm also going to show you one of my mom's special potions, her black lemonade. I can't wait to share this recipe with you, so let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients.
Into our bowl goes 120 grams of ground almonds, 32 grams of powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt. And now we whisk them all together.
My friend Osono at the bakery taught me how to make these cookies. But because I'm a witch and my mom has showed me how to use special ingredients to bring extra powers to your cooking, I've showed Osono how to add some special extra flavors.
Into a mortar and pestle goes a pinch of thyme, some dried orange peel, a star anise, and a good grating of nutmeg. Smash, then grind. And now we're going to put our seasonings through a sieve. We don't want any crunchy bits in our biscuits, but we want all of that flavor.
This mix of spices brings on your psychic powers, but I'll put other special potion ingredients below.
Stir all of those flavors in and make a well in the middle of the ingredients. Into the well goes 57 grams of melted butter and 1 egg yolk. And now we just mix it all together. I find it easier to mix it with my hand at this point.
Our dough is a little soft, so we're going to stick it in the fridge just to let it chill. And while it's chilling, we'll preheat our oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm going to take a scoop of our cookie mix, about a tablespoon, and roll it in between my hands to make a sausage. Then I'm going to taper the edges and start to form it into our crescent moon shape. Just like that. You can use a cutter if you like, but it's quite fun to make them with your hands. These need to bake for about 20 minutes.
And while our cookies are baking, we're going to make my mom's special, smooth, and spooky black lemonade.
To a pot, add 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of water. This makes a simple syrup. Turn the heat to medium-high and let that sugar melt. I'm juicing 5 whole lemons. Once our sugar is melted, take the pan off the heat. Strain your lemon juice through a fine sieve so we don't have any pips in there. To every 1 part of lemon juice, we're going to add 2 parts water.
Now it's time to add in our activated charcoal. You can use black food coloring, but Mom says the activated charcoal is really good for your tummy.
In goes 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal and just mix it up. Doesn't that look so cool? Put your lemon juice mix into your serving jug and then add in as much syrup as you want to make it the sweetness you like. While they're still warm, we're going to dust our cookies with some powdered sugar. That will make them look like they're shining like the moon.
If you love Halloween and Harry Potter as much as I do, check out last year's Halloween video here. Thanks for watching from me and my Gigi. We'll see you next time.